Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing another video, a Valentine theme video, and I'll be using my what do I call this thing, my silicone hand today. Again, this is my second time of using it after I got it. So if you are seeing me being a little bit slow, kindly don't mind me. I'm usually not this slow when I'm working with my client. So I'll be using these glitters to create an ombre effect on the fingers, the two middle fingers. I first apply the gel polish on the nails. Then before curing, I'm going to pour the glitters on it. So it's serving as like an adhesive to stick the glitter down. So after pouring the glitters on the nail, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds in the UV lamp before we start working on it. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for the 1,500 subscribers. Thank you all subscribers for always coming back to watch my content, and thank you new subscribers for deciding to join this family. God bless you all. So I'm going to add the base coat on the glitters again. You can see that each time I apply, before I put my brush back into the base coat, I keep wiping the brush on the paper towel so I don't get the glitters in the bottle, in the base coat bottle again. So I'm going to apply base coat on the glitters, cure it for another 60 seconds because I don't want the glitters moving around when I want to encapsulate it. You can also use clear acrylic powder to encapsulate or to stick these glitters to the nails, but I just prefer to use this option because it's easier. So right now I'm going to be taking my nude acrylic powder to do the back of the nails. Like I'm going to create an ombre effect, but first of all I was supposed to use a clear to cap the glitters so that the nude acrylic powder can give me a very what will I call it now, a smooth effect on the glitters, which I did not. So after applying this one, I noticed the nude acrylic powder was not smooth at the place where the glitters was starting from. So while I want to do this one, I'm going to be using my clear acrylic powder to cap it first before I apply another nude acrylic powder. So on the next finger, I'm going to cap the glitters before I start applying the nude acrylic powder to create the ombre effect. So I'm going to be creating the ombre effect on these two fingernails. Like I said, while I was creating this set, I did not really think about I was not sure about the design I was going to create. I just wanted to create a pattern, a blue Valentine nail set. I didn't know which colors to combine together. But so while I was doing this, I was just trying to come up with the idea of what to do. So if these colors do not really match, or if they don't really go along well with each other, kindly pardon me. I just wanted to create something off my head without copying somebody else's design. So like I was saying, I actually wanted to use a blue acrylic powder, I think a sky blue acrylic powder, to create the ombre effect. I don't know why I didn't use that. So I'm going to be using the blue acrylic powder to on the other fingers.
everything you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I'm falling in love, shorty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. My long room so me die with you, oh, baby. All I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, falling, yeah. And I'm calling to you, calling, yeah. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting.
So I selected some arts in the glitters I used. So I'm going to be sticking to the blue acrylic with a base coat. I'll cure it in UV lamp also. And I'm going to encapsulate with clear acrylic powder.
Mystic Empire.
Yeah. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy unspeakable, faith unshakable, peace untouchable, fire of the Holy Ghost. You can't spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling. Hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, and living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, we got strength. I feel good, I feel blessed. A big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ, yeah. Feeling like $1,000,000. Friday night, let's have some fun. Call your friends and sort it out. This life is one, so we toast to the good life. Every minute's the full, cause I pull up open doors, then it's suicide. 16 bad whoop and they all by the poolside. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where it stress me, but right now, the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. Nah, 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 nah. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where they stress me, but right now I'm chilling, I'm chilling, I'm chilling. Too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, enough strength, feel good and feel blessed. Big life, someone's wife, and the blood.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If there's any other video you'd like me to create, kindly let me know in the comment section. Till next time, guys, stay blessed and bye.